Hi, I am Dr. Sachin Khandelwal. Today I am going to share my experience with the new Emma original mattress. I was looking for a basically good quality mattress and I came across various companies and startups which many different type of mattress. So it was really confusing to find one. Then I came across Emma. Emma is a German company and it has won many awards in the Europe and has shown their presence elsewhere also. I thought might as well I try. So I had ordered this mattress from the website. So it came up in a box. It was vacuum rolled in a box. Installation is very simple. It will take this original form in couple of minutes. Basically, this is a fully foam based mattress with 3 layers of different type of foam material used. The top is a ergo cell which takes up the heat from the body and gives a cooling effect on sleeping. The cover is also washable and very plush. Firmness, it is medium firm. I'll rate 7 out of 10. So I've been using this quite for a couple of weeks. Being a physician, my sleep used to get disturbed by a lot of phone calls and sometimes I had to visit in emergencies. So getting back to sleep was very struggle for me. So after using this for a couple of weeks, at least I don't have to get struggle back to sleep. And moreover, my aches and joint pains were relieved. While getting up in the morning, I used to feel fresh now. I will highly recommend this mattress to any type of sleeping positions or any type of body weights. Even frail, thin, chronic illness patients or senior citizen can use this comfortably. Mildly overweight people can also use, and obese persons can try for sometimes, as the company give you 100 days trial, so you can try if it suits you. So I was very happy personally with this usage, and I thanks Emma for getting this product in India and making it totally in India. So don't worry, sleep happy. Thank you.